Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to create a stylish and eye-catching auto text effect animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This animation automatically types out letter by letter, creating a typing effect that's perfect for hero sections, landing pages or anywhere you want to grab attention. Here's what our final result will look like. Our text types itself automatically character by character with a smooth typing animation, switching between different messages to keep things interesting. We'll even add a blinking cursor effect for an authentic feel. Don't miss out this fun and educational project, and I upload unique project videos every week. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to subscribe our channel Sarachandar K and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's dive into the code. Let's open this auto text effect animation project folder in my favorite code editor, Visual Studio Code. Let me know your favorite and why in our comment box below. Inside the directory, I have already created index.html, style.css and script.js. Here inside the index.html, I have added HTML boilerplate with the help of exclamation mark. Along with this, I have changed the title of auto text effect animation by Sarachandar, and below I have added the style.css and script.js. Now inside the body we need to add the text container with the help of div. For that in Visual Studio Code we have a embed abbreviation to add the div with the help of class attribute with dot and then value of text container. If I hit enter, it will automatically create the div element with class attribute with the value of text container. Inside this, I will add the span tag with the ID of animated text. For adding the ID, we need to use the hash and then value of animated text. If I hit enter, it will create the span tag with the ID of animated text. And next to this, we'll add one more span tag with ID of cursor. If I hit enter, it will create a span tag with the ID of cursor. For the cursor, I will add the pipe symbol here. With the help of this, will make the cursor to blink. That's all for the HTML. Now let us see our HTML file in action. For that in Visual Studio Code we have an extension called Go Live. In the status bar, once we click, the tool will automatically load our project into the default browser. Here we can see the auto text effect animation by Sarachandar as a title, and inside the body only we can see the pipe symbol here. Now we need to style this. For that I need to jump to the style.css. Here I have already added import URL of font family Poppins. Along with that I have added the global selector to reset the margin to 0px, adding to 0px font family Poppins. From the import URL, box sizing should be border box. Next to this I need to add the styles to the body with the help of element selector name called body. I need to add all the text and then container is center of the screen. For that I will use the display flags with the help of justify content to be center, align items to be center, and will set the height of 100 VH and will set the background color of black color, and then we'll add the styles to the div with the help of class. For adding the styles to the class we have a dot selector and then value of that particular class as text container. For this text container I will add the font size of 5 rem and will set the color of blue color and will set the display to flags again and will set the align items to be center and will set the font font weight to be bold. And next thing, we'll add the styles to the cursor with the help of ID. Previously, we have added the element selector and then class selector. Now we'll add the styles to the ID with the help of hash. It's represent the ID. Inside this cursor, we need to blink the cursor value here. So before adding this cursor, I will save, I will go to the browser. Here we can see the background color as well as the cursor. Now we need to blink this cursor with the help of styles. For that, inside this cursor, I will add the animate function with the help of blink, and I will set the timing of 0.7 second of delay, and will set the steps of 2 comma start, and I will set the infinite. For this blink, I need to create a keyframe. For creating a keyframe, I will use the add of keyframe and then identifier of blink. For this blink, I will add directly to the 50% and then opacity of 0. If I save, if I go to the browser, here we can see the animate of this blinking cursor with the help of opacity. That's all for the styles. Next thing, we'll add the text to this with the help of type in and type out. For that, I need to jump to the script.js. First, I will add the declaration of this animated text. Why? Because inside this span tag, we are going to add the text. For this, I will create one const of text element equal to document. Document is an owner of your web page. With the help of this, we can do the DOM manipulation and then get element by ID. Why? Because here for this span tag, we have the ID. So I will use this get element by ID. Now we'll check what this text element contains with the help of console.log and then text element. If I save, if I go to the browser, I will hit F12. Here in the console, we can see that entire span tag with that ID and then value to this. That is how the DOM tree will work. Along with this, we'll add one more array for the specific sentence. For that, I have already added one const value with the help of words. Inside here, we have four different items. One is hi there, second one is welcome to my channel, third one is learn code with fun, fourth one is subscribe for more tutorial. These are all the words we need to type with text in and text out. Along with this, we need to create a few more declaration with word index equal to 0. Why I have created this as a const? This is for let, because this is a constant value. This will not going to change. But in the word index, it may be a change in the further. So I am using this declaration with let, and then char index equal to 0, and another declaration of is deleting equal to false, and other thing same. For this declaration, I will use the const of typing speed equal to 100. This is in milliseconds, and another const of pause duration equal to 1500. This is also millisecond. This will help us to pause after each word. That's all for the declaration. Now we need to use this array to add the text inside the element, and then we need to make use of that type in and type out effect. For that, I need to create one function with function keyword of type. Inside this, I will create one const of current word equal to that particular words array, and then word index. We'll check what this current word contains with the help of console.log of current word. For this function we have created, we need to initialize it. For initializing, we need to add the event listener of document dot add event listener of DOM content loaded. Once this DOM is loaded, we need to call this function. If I save, if I go to the browser, here in the console, we can see the first word of hi there. That is what the first word here. So once we got this first word, we need to append there. For appending there, I need to use text element of that particular span tag dot text content equal to current word. If I save again, if I go to the browser, here we can see the text of hi there with blinking effect. Now we need to do this animation with running in text and out. So for that, I will use is deleting of true. Then I will set the current word dot slice. This will help us to get the character with 0 and then char index of minus minus if it is deleting. If not, we can add the current word dot slice of 0 will get the char index plus plus. If I save, if I go to the browser, here nothing. Why? Because this is false and this current index is plus plus. And I will check with the help of console.log. If I save, if I go to the browser, here in the console, this is h, but here it is not printing. Why the output is not displaying here? Because the character plus plus is getting executed after this text content. So for that we need to add some if conditions. We'll check if not of is deleting and char index should be equal to current word dot length plus 1. Then is deleting equal to true and we'll set the set timeout. With the help of this set time mode, we can add the method again and we'll pass the duration of that particular value. For this, we are already creating one declaration of pause duration. I will use this here. If you don't know about set time mode or set interval, in our previous playlist 52 weeks of 52 projects in JavaScript, we have explained in many places. If you want to learn, I will add the link in the description. Please do check it out. And then I will add one more else if inside this we'll check is deleting of true and then we'll check the char index triple equal to 0. If this is the case, again I will set is deleting equal to false. So if it is false, that time this will taken care and it will reduce the word from backward to front. And if it's true, it will be appended to front to back. For this deleting, I need to add the word index equal to word index plus 1 and I need to do the percentage of words dot length. Why I'm checking this words dot length? Because here if you have only 4 and then this will consider by 3 because array start from 0. So if you go behind that then we'll get the index out of bound error. So instead of that I'm checking the words from the array and then again I will set timeout with the help of this same method with typing speed. Else will consider continue typing or deleting. For that I will add one more set timeout with the same function of time and I will set of condition is deleting. Then I will use the typing speed divided by 2. Else only the typing speed. While deleting this should be fast. So only I am using this deleting divided by 2. So this deleting speed is 100. I am divided by 2. This will be 50. So the word will be deleted fast. If I save, if I go to the browser, here we can see hi there and welcome to my channel. And then third word of learn coding with fun and fourth word of subscribe for more tutorial. And again it will start the loop from starting and will get the hi there. So here inside the array I will add one more word. Thanks for watching. If I save, if I go to the browser, we'll get that first word and then second and then third, now fourth and then last one as newly added. Thanks for watching. How simple is this, right? We can grow our array based on our requirement and we can add this animation effect anywhere in our web application. And there we have it, a fully functional auto text effect animation using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can use this effect in any website banner, heading or anywhere else you did like to add some more attention. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel Sarachandar K to watch more web development content. If you are interested in JavaScript projects like this, I have created and added a playlist 52 weeks of 52 projects in JavaScript. Link in the description. Please do check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep coding and keep learning. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Bye for now. Have a nice day.